Hi treasures, let me share with you how I made this yummy, delicious, moist and soft cake without using flour or sugar. Let's get started. To sweeten this cake, I'll be using dates. Here I have half cup of dates which I deseeded and soaked with half cup of water. I'll transfer into my blender and blend until smooth. Next, I'll add 2 eggs into it. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. And half cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then cover and blend for about 50 to 60 seconds. Now into my liquid or wet ingredients, I'll add oats. Here I have my ground oats. The oatmeal which I grinded into powder. I'm using 2 cups of it. Then baking powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in my description box below. Then I'll mix this together. I'll also be adding some mixed dry fruits or raisins, but this is optional. You can leave your cake plain as it is and bake that way, but I want to add some raisins to mine. After which I will now transfer into my greased pan and bake for about 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And here we have our oat cake ready. Allow it to cool down for some minutes before taking it out from the pan and slicing or cutting or sharing, whichever word. This cake tasted so amazing and delicious. So good for those who are looking to watch their weight, or if you're watching your weight, or if you're also trying to stay off from white sugar. This is so good for you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye. Please like and share the video. Thank you. Bye.